the sunrise for every man. Blessings flow like the river one. From the roots to the sky, we stand firm, we strong. Miss a life at the school, learn the lesson around. Call upon the Most High, Jah guide me feet. In the storm, in the fire, make the blessing sweet. Call upon the Most High, when the world get cold. Him a the anchor, him a the soul. Them say Babylon a try for blind we eye, but me sight deeper than the wicked lie. Wisdom grow like the ancient tree. From the soil of truth, my spirit free. Make the drum beat strong, make the chant carry long. Me say Zion where me belong. Oh, call upon the Most High, Jah guide me feet. In the storm, in the fire, make the blessing sweet. Call upon the Most High, when the world get cold. Him a the anchor, him a the soul. Them say faith a the lantern, light the dark. Me say love a the compass, find your mark. From the hills to the valley, hear the lark, sing praises for Jah. Ignite the spark. Oh, call upon the Most High, Jah guide me feet. In the storm, in the fire, make the blessing sweet. Call upon the Most High, when the world get cold. Him a the anchor, him a the soul. Ancient whispers from the earth, so wise them say, walk with Jah, open your eyes. The stars them twinkle like them now fear. Every beat of truth make the pathway clear. From the valley low to the mountain high, drumbeat of justice, never tell lie. Drumbeat of deliverance, feel it in your soul. Boom boom, it a heal, make your spirit whole. Now stop the chant, now break the chain. Drumbeat of freedom like sweet Jarray. The lion roar, but the lamb still sing. Harmony rising on everything. Brother, sister, hold your ground strong. The struggle hard, but it not last long. The beat a pulse, it a heartbeat true. Guiding the last, make them find them crew. Every step up forward, now look back. Drumbeat a light when the sky turn black. Ooh, feel it, know it. Ooh, know it tell. Drumbeat a bridge from the earth but me nah stay blind. The moon say wait, but the sun say shine. Me walk on the path where them can't define. The rhythm a guide me, heartbeat the time. Jah light in the morning, oh me say so bright. Push away the shadow, bring the truth to sight. Every step me make, him a make it right. Jah light, him a guide me fight. Jah light, him a guide me fight. Jah light. Them plant bad seed, but me reap good fruit. My roots run deep, them can't uproot. Fire burn Babylon, me nah dilute. Truth on me arm all over me suit. Rise up the lion, rise up the flame. Call upon Jah name. Me no play no game. Oh yeah. Jah light in the morning, oh me say so bright. Push away the shadow, bring the truth to sight. Every step me make, him a make it right. Jah light, him a guide me fight. Jah light, him a guide me fight. Jah light. Me say hills them high, but me climb them still. The valley them low, but me hold Jah will. Me carry the torch for Jah light fulfill. Guidance and strength for the heart and skill. But me say lion not resign. Step by step me go reach the crest. Jah guide me soul, me do me best. Them a talk about fear, me talk about fire. Heart full of strength, me climb up higher. The storm a rage, but me nah go bend. Lion a chant till the very end. Lion a chant, me roar. Stand firm, me not take no detour. Lion a chant, me soul, me core. Jah light shine bright, me want no more. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Them say the road full of thorns and pain, but me say every trial a wisdom gain. The river deep, the current strong, but lion heart know where it belong. Me spirit high like the mountain breeze. Me roots deep like the ancient trees. Them a doubt, but me nah retreat. Lion heart chant make the rhythm sweet. Oh, chant it low, chant it true. For the youth, them last, for the old ones too. Jah wisdom flow like the morning dew. Lion heart chant for your life brand new. Jah guide me steps one by one every line. Mount Zion prayer, breeze. Jah love surround me like the roots them trees. Oh Jah, me knees them seas. Mount Zion prayer, bring the soul pure ease. The sun it a blaze, but me cool in a shade. The fire a burn, but my soul never fade. Me carry the cross, me carry the blade, fi cut through the chains that Babylon laid. Oh Jah, me call for your name. Oh Jah, your light break the shame. Mount Zion prayer, rise from the breeze. Jah love surround me like the roots them trees. Oh Jah, me knees them seas. Mount Zion prayer, bring the soul pure ease. Me chanting at the dark till the light a show. Me sing for the weak till the strong them know. The mountains them tall, but my spirit grow. Selassie I bless my path for flow. Them clouds rolling at the sky so high. A message them carry, no need for deny. The drum beat echo, tell me why. Tell me why the mountain whisper, me soul comply. Prophecy from the hills, Jah voice still speak. Truth rise up like the river, strong and meek. Them words are blaze, them hearts it seek. Prophecy from the hills, Jah wisdom peak. Them Babylon walls can't hold my faith. The lion roar, me nah go wait. Roots grow deep, them can't separate. The fire burn bright, no time for the beat. Him say look to the east, the sun will rise. Him say walk on the path, open your eyes. Prophecy from the hills, Jah voice still speak. Truth rise up like the river, strong and meek. Them words are blaze, them hearts it seek. Prophecy from the hills, Jah wisdom peak. Who them think them fooling? speak, truth ablaze, it no retreat. Fireball, the darkness fall, the roots rise. We hear Jah call, fire, Rastaman Vision, see it clear, higher heights. Jah draw near, Rastaman Vision, heart so pure, guide and strong, the path secure, the path secure. Oh. The stars are lining at the endless sky. Forward move, can't live feel like Babylon crumble. Jah love can't die. Chant them words, make the earth them shake. Soul ignite like the morning break. Them chains are snap, freedom we are take. Rastaman Vision, see it clear, higher heights. Jah draw near, Rastaman Vision, heart so pure, guide and strong, the path secure, the path secure. Jah land. Roots run deep like the sea and the sun. Me bloodline calling, whisper in me ear. Guidance from ancestors make the path clear. Roots of me soul, them never let go. Them hold me tight like the rivers that flow. Roots of me soul, them keep me whole. Jah Light a shine in me heart, in me goal. Me mind travel far, but me feet stay true. The wisdom of the elders make me brand new. Them say, stand tall, never bow to the storm. My spirit rise high in the night till the morn. Them say, the journey rough, but me no afraid. My soul a soldier, never get swayed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Roots of my soul, them never let go. Them hold me tight like the rivers that flow. Roots of my soul, them keep me whole. Jah Light a shine in me heart, in my goal. You are king, you are queen. Plant your seed deep, keep the fruit and seed. The world may tremble, but your roots them strong, yeah. Them sing the holy hymn, the eternal song. Oh, shouting over the wall. Rivers flow, but them can't drown my call. Them try for silence, but my spirit not start. Voice in the wilderness, hear me now, crying for the people, make the fire glow. Truth of the sword, and me wield it so. Voice make the thunder grow. The breeze a whisper, the trees them bow, but my words cut deep, deeper than flow. Who can see light in the darkness? Oh, rise up on Babylon, me not take no coast. Stand firm, me say my roots them strong. Lion not beating, the battle long. Yeah, fighting at the wilderness. Yeah, me know crying for the people, make the fire glow. Truth of the sword and me wield it so. Fighting at the wilderness, make the thunder grow. Nah give up, my spirit can't kill. One little spark like the whole hill. Truth at the balm, can't take no pill. The truth can grow. Me say chant down the walls, let the spirit show. In a Babylon shadow, the fire still glow. Them are blind, but me eyes them open. Them are deaf, but me heart still spoken. Zion train now come, choo-choo it roll. Carry the weary, the broken, the soul. Zion train now come, choo-choo make way for the lion and the lamb of the righteous day. Them say climb on the mountain, the view it clear. But beware of the serpent, the lies them near. Keep the drum beat steady, keep the mind sincere. For the road to Zion, I love we stare. Them a fight, but me just still guide me. Them a hate, but me light still shine free. Zion train a come, choo-choo it roll. Carry the weary, the broken, the soul. Zion train a come, choo-choo.